Hey, what's up everybody? Today I am going to install a NRG quick release and a DND steering wheel from my 2002 WRX. This is my car. Been sitting in the snow for like a couple of weeks. Haven't driven much. Look at this old steering wheel. So here's what I got. NRG. This is the short hub. And this is the quick release. Whoa, so nice. Damn, this is nice though. Ooh, damn. Welcome to the tea. Check out the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Damn, bro. Yeah, this is clean, bro. Look at this. Oh my god. Damn, this feels so nice. Check this out. Not bad. So now that we got everything ready to go, disconnect the battery and then remove the steering wheel. Yeah. 17mm to remove the steering wheel. Super easy. Alright, I'm gonna release this. Hold on. Ooh! Baby! That was easy. Yeah, if you guys wondering why I removing this piece right here, is because I want to get my hull working again, you know what I'm saying? And also the airbag lights. Alright guys, I got this out. You gotta be careful with this, man. This wire, really careful. Make sure you don't break anything. Alright, I think I'm gonna continue and do this tomorrow. It's getting dark, so I'm trying to get my whole working. So I'm using this wire. Yeah, it's kind of ugly, but it's gonna do the job. And I don't have the wire cutter thing. Wire cutter, I don't know what that called. I'm gonna use a knife. Damn, look. It's perfect. This is the, I put a male connector in there. It's so perfect. But I think I need to cut this a little bit just to fit the hole in there. I'll show you guys in a minute. Yep. They work. So this is the connector. What the heck? Where's my phone? Yes. The connector there for the hole. You can see in the top left. Yeah, this is the one. Is for the hole. So it's so small. So I made these. As you can see, I cut this like half of it with these. They are pretty soft. You can cut them with this. So yeah, it worked for me. Here, put it right there. Top left, and we're gonna test it out. See if it works. Yeah, come on. Shit, this is fun, bro. My neighbor's gonna hate me. Use a tape to tape that around the connector, just in case if they don't fall. So you can see this is the wire connector right here, and I run it to here. Come on here. Zero. Bam, right here. I want to put it like right there just to attach a yellow thing. That's the power, which is, yeah, this is the one. Just to connect that there somewhere around there, and it should work. You guys can see that? Hold on. See, the wire attached the yellow metal thing. So I hope it works. Test it out. This should work, bro. I think we're ready to install the quick release and steering wheel and all the stuff. Let's go. Oh, damn. So what I did was put a tape around these two connectors, and yeah, just in case they don't like attach the ground right here. The hell is this? So this come with a quick release. nice, man. Man, never get tired of this. Oh, it's perfect. Let's go. Another baby. See if it's gonna work. Batteries connect. Let's see if the horn is working. Yes! I did it. Hell yeah, dog. Woo, we are done, man. Damn, look at that, man. I will never get tired of these, man. Super nice. My airbag lights on, and I forgot to go buy the resistor for the airbag. I think it's called like airbag bypass, something like that. God damn, yeah, I'll go get it. I'll go get that later, and it should be good, right? Oh, my last place fall off. Feel good, man. Like this. Camera's shaking, man. So dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna take this thing for a wash. It's all clean, man.